First, let's assemble a timber loader. Don't stop! Let's fuel the timber loader. Pump. Hooray! This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. We need to wash the timber loader. Keep it up. We need to assemble the dracene. Hooray! Now let's load the empty bags onto the dracene. Hooray! Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. We need to wash the dracene. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the minecart. We did it! Now let's load the materials into the minecart. Keep it up. We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. We need to wash the minecart. Keep it up. Let's assemble a garbage car. Keep it up. And now let's attach sticker signs to the... You're doing really great. The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. We need to wash the garbage car. Don't stop. We need to assemble the flat car. Amazing! Now let's load materials for it. Keep it up. Let's repair the railroad station. Now let's wash the flat car. Hooray! Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. You're doing really great. Let's load the roof onto the crane with ready. Let's install new roof and windows. Let's wash the crane with cargo bed. We did it! First, let's assemble the bucket lift. Done! Let's fuel the bucket lift. Pump. That's all. Let's install the station clock. Let's wash the bucket lift. Keep up the good work. First, let's assemble the locomotive. Keep it up. And now we need to fuel the locomotive. Pump. Keep it up. We need to check the locomotive before the long journey. We need to wash the locomotive. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the train. Go on. Ready. The station is working! Now wizards can go on a journey!